Dear students, greetings from Dr. T. Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology, Kakatiya Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about looping statement in C programming. Especially, in this particular video lecture, we are going to discuss about while loop and do while loop. Okay. So, this video lecture, this is week 5, lecture 1, classroom discussion topic 13. We are going to discuss about while and do while loop. This is a lecture outcome. After completion of this lecture, student will be able to write a C program to using while loop and do while loop concept. First, what is loop statement? How loop is working? Example, we want to do the same operation in multiple times. For example, we want to print the value from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, like up to multiple times we have to execute the same statement. For that purpose, we are using the loop concept. In this particular example, I shown here how go to statement is working. What is the use of go to statement? So we have to perform the operation repeatedly, then we have to use this go to statement. How the go to statement will be there? Some statement should be ending with colon. For example, here loop is there. Loop colon if here here means these upcoming statements are under the loop statement. Okay. So what are the statements for looping? Till this point to this point. These are comes under loop. Okay. So remaining these statements comes under printf. So which statements we want to execute, that we are going to decide using go to statement. Okay. So here what they are going to do, this particular statement is find the sum of the square of the integer between 1 and 10. The square of the numbers 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, like that it will print. So up to 10 square. How it will calculate? So n value is maximum 10. While till getting n equal to 10, it will send the flow to go to print statement. Okay. So if n is 10 means what is the meaning of that? It is calculated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares and finally 10 squares. If 10 value over means we will go to print the sum value. Otherwise what we have to do? The n value will be incremented here, n equal to n plus 1. So how we can write? N plus plus also we can write. This after incrementing the n value, go to loop. Again it will add square. So initially n equal to 1. then 1 into 1. 1 square means 1 into 1, that will be added with some value. Initially some value is 0, that will be assigned to sum. Now what is the value of sum? 1 square. So then n value incremented 2 into 2, 2 square, 3 into 3, 3 square, like that up to 10 square it will be calculated. This is the use of go to statement. Okay. The same kind of operation, how we can perform with while loop and do while loop. Okay. Whenever we are writing the looping statement, there is a two important points we have to consider. One is control statement, another one is the body of the loop. The control statement will check the conditions, then the body will be executed. Okay. In this looping statement, we have two variety. One is entry controlled loop section, another one is exit controlled loop section. What is entry controlled loop? Means the control conditions are tested before start the loop execution. That means first check the condition, then enter into the body of the loop. Exit control loop means the condition will be performed at the end of the body. Okay. Then first body is executed without any condition. Then it will check the condition. If condition true, then it will go out. Okay. So we can say pre-test is the entry control, post-test is the exit control loop. This is a diagrammatic representation for entry control loop and exit control loop. Entry control loop means first it will check the condition. If condition true, the body of the loop will be executed. Otherwise, it will go out of the loop. But in exit control, first it will execute the body of the loop. Then it will check the condition. Condition true, it will go out. If condition false, it will execute the body again. Okay. Syntax for the while statement. While word should use within the bracket, you can use the text condition. The test condition should be any expression. Okay. So open brace should be there, close brace should be there, body of the loop. You can write a number of statements. So whenever we are using while loop, it will check the condition. If condition is true, then the body of the loop will be executed. Okay. So how much time it will be there? It will execute the body. Then again the test condition will be checked. It will be evaluated. Again it is true means again the body will be executed. Till until the test condition finally becomes false. Till condition fail, the loop will be executed continuously. Okay. On exit, the program continues with the statement immediately. So the loop is over means the next statement will be executed. The body of the loop may have one or more statements. There is no restriction. The braces are needed only if the body contains two or more statements. If only one statement means no need of braces. Okay. This braces is there, no? If more than one statement in the body, then only we can use braces. Otherwise, it is not mandatory. Okay, only one statement is there means you can use, that is not a problem. But without braces also it will work. Okay. So, but good practice, what we have to do, use braces. Even one statement or multiple statements, you can use braces. That is better for our understanding. Okay. So now you know how to write the while loop. So here simple snippet I given, sum equal to 0, n equal to 1. I declared int number n equal to 1, int sum equal to 0. Then I am going to check the value n less than or equal to 10. While testing this is true, this body of the loop will be executed once till n value will be incremented by 1 till it is reaching the 10, it will execute. If the value is 11, then condition fails, it will come out from the loop. Then this is a loop, okay, this is the loop. Then it will print the sum value. So here I want to print the value from 1 to 100. Simple example will be. I declare int I equal to 1. I have to check the condition up to 100. Yes, I value will be up to 100. So I less than or equal to 100. I'm printing the I value. After printing the I value will be increment by 1. After increment this value, again the loop condition will be checked. Condition true means body of the loop will be executed. How much time it will be executed? At this example, 100 times it will be executed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 100 it will execute it. When the value is incremented 101, so 101 less than or equal to 100, this condition is failed, then it will come out from the loop. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about do while statement. First to do, then check the condition, that is do while loop. Okay. So in case sometimes we want to execute once, then we will check the condition. So example, first the students are coming for interview. I ask them to permit once into the auditorium. Then I will check the condition while calling the student, you are principal student or not. So each and every time I am calling, the time I am checking, yes, he is the principal student, I will permit, I will execute the loop. He is not principal means, okay, all principal students are over, then the loop will be over, like interview will be over. Okay. This is the syntax for do while loop. Do, first body of the loop will be executed, then it will check the condition. The only one thing is in do while loop you have to use the semicolon. In while loop don't use semicolon. Here do while loop we can use semicolon. Okay. It is exit control loop, no? So while exit it will check the condition. Condition fails, it will execute again and again. If condition true, it will come out. So example, I want to check the input values are 0 or negative number. Whenever I am pressing, I will get the n value, and after getting the value, it will check it is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater, again it will ask you the input. For example, you are given 5. So 5 greater than 0. So condition true. So again it will get the value. Next you will give 10. It will check. So when it is failed, if you are given 0 or negative value, then condition will be getting failure. Then it will come out from the loop. Okay. So this simple program, like the number, we have to add a summation of sum of n numbers. Okay. The n value maybe give any value, whatever value you will give. Okay. Hmm? If you are pressing 0, till pressing 0, this body of the loop will be executed. Why? Because we are checking this condition. Number not equal to 0 means it will work. When it is equal to 0, number equal to 0, then it will come out of the loop. Okay. To end up this video, having completed this discussion on while and do while loop in C, now students should be able to write a C program using while loop and do while loop. So this is a lecture level practice problems. We have to try to write the program to find the even numbers up to 100. Okay, from 1 to 100, what are the even numbers are there? You can print that value using while loop. The same thing, find sum of n numbers, the given numbers. You can find the sum value using do while loop. So I hope you are enjoyed this video. If you have doubts, you refer the textbook, chapter 6, Balakuruswamy, Programming in ANSYS 8th edition book. Also, you can refer weekly tutorials. If you have further doubt, we will discuss in the class. Thank you very much for listening to this video.